Yeah, well, the bird went to get it.
Holy shit, man, that is freaking cool.
No, it is. You got a video of this, man?
Yeah.
Watch that. Those,
I'm watching that.
He's got his leg.
the beak, man.
Yeah, well, he's got his gloves on anyways. I don't know. That's pretty wild. I've never seen this.
I had seen it on a video the other day. One of them. Look out, you fucker. Hey! I'll let you go too.
He says, fuck you.
You better crawl off. I seen a video of that the other day.
Get a fucking stick.
Here you go, Ray.
No shit, that's pretty wild.
You're gonna have to